Maybe.
I'm hoping we could drive out on the beach. Looks like it on the map. I don't know if we have to pay, or I guess we'll see when we get there. I've never been here before. Some money out here.
At the traffic circle, take the second exit onto Palmer State Parkway. Exit the traffic circle onto Palmer State Parkway.
It's open. Authorized vehicles only, apparently. Wow. A lot of old bikes. Good, I need to wash my windshield anyway.
Take the next right on.
Fire Island.
Your destination is on the right.
A federal driving permit. Where do I get a federal driving permit? Let's see where we get a federal driving permit here. How do you get up the federal park pass thing to drive on the beach?
You'd have to go down to the park office. Do you know where that is?
No.
Okay, so you take this.
Thank you.
No problem.
Get my federal beach pass. What are you doing? Looking to get my park so you can drive on the beach.
Fishing or surfing?
I don't have my fishing license with me, so I guess it would be for...
Well, you need to get it regardless.
Oh, okay. I'll get it then. I have my fishing pole. I can get it here?
No, you need to go over to Dick's or go through the computer or online.
So where's there a Dick's? Or is it close?
Over in Bayshore on Summer Tower.
Okay. Fishing license. Off to Dick's we go. Dick's Sporting Goods. Well, that was easy. It was free for salt water. I like free. On our way back to the beach. The beach.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
$125 for an out of state. Oh dear. Here we go again. Lighthouse. Looks so much bigger from back there. Where are we going to the beach? For the fishing? No, it's not this one?
Out this way, man. Big sign out the end that says federal permit required to come down here.
Oh, I thought that's what the fishing permit was.
That's a state permit. It says it right on it.
Oh.
You're actually on fire now.
Oh, well, how about my federal thing for the federal lands, or is that not? That doesn't count either.
Park Service sticker?
Yeah.
That's not anything to do with us. This one with the frog on it?
Yeah. That's the federal park pass for like the whole United States I paid? No.
No, that's it says annual decal and it's got a number on it, but I don't know who you bought it from. It doesn't have any of our logos on it or anything. I don't know what federal place sold you that. We have.
That was for the whole United States. We went all the way. My wife and I went all the way to California, all around. It's for all the federal parks.
Well, here's the deal. I've never seen one because we don't allow vehicles here.
Okay.
We don't have any parking or anything of that nature, so that's maybe why I've never seen one.
Okay.
Maybe the guys out in you know, other places and other national parks are familiar with it.
Yeah.
Because they see it on a regular basis. If they have parking, they might see it, but we don't have any parking, so yeah.
All right.
So granted, even though you have that, you're still not allowed to drive because that permit down there says no driving.
Where the heck do I go for the beach access?
You
Yeah.
gotta go the opposite end.
They would know at the park place though, right? Where I bought the permit.
If you stop at the headquarters and ask
Yeah.
them, sure, they'll know.
Because they just gave me that. It was $120 because I'm out of
You
state.
just bought it now?
Just now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because I come down
Yeah, they
here and I'm
should've
like,
told
what do
you.
I gotta?
Yeah, they should have told you to go that way, number one. And number two,
And they
that
didn't.
it must not be closed because if they sold it to you for $120,
I know.
you would figure you'd want to use it. So
They will not take my federal pass. Isn't that crazy? My federal park pass. They never even seen one before. I guess I'll get to know this road pretty good. Went back and forth on it 4 times already. Thought this is America. Can't drive on the beaches. Alright, geese. Let's get moving.
Permit. In the back. See you ride in the corner. Have a great day.
Thank you. That's cold. Woo! I don't know what that is. Kind of structure. Freshwater fishing in the salt water. Oh, there goes that. Oh well. I don't drink that crap, it's my wife's. How about a spoon? Let's try that. No, I didn't bring my salt water stuff. Look at that good looking sumbitch. That's a nice looking truck right there. Good, you? Get anything? Me either. Get anything yet? Me too. I didn't get nothing either. Good luck. I thought that was a safe. You got pretty wide tires too. You think you really need to air down on this?
I would.
Yeah. Well, I just went through. I mean, I aired down to 15, but...
I don't air down that much. I go down to about 23, 24.
Oh, do you?
I mean, it hasn't... Right now, it's not that soft. But you'll kill your transmission that way.
Yeah.
If you don't air down, that's all.
Right. I went through this, and it's like not even that loose, so I was like, I don't even...
It's actually hard right now.
Yeah.
It's hard. Like in like midsummer, it was super soft. You had to air down like crazy.
Yeah. Airing her back up. They give you air, but you gotta have your own line and use her backwards. Love having my own air supply. Uh-huh. There.
Day 2.
You've arrived.
Sore thumb. Nice beach. Rigging up my new Walmart pole. Got some of these shrimp. They can't resist that. Something was nibbling. You need a pole? Alright.
Backed up a little too far.
I was afraid I was going to get stuck like that too. I didn't air down this time either, so I didn't. Perfect. Now put it like in drive and then just kind of follow it real slow. Ready? Slow. Hold it. I think you got it. Yeah, this sand is unpredictable. Yeah, right? You're welcome. Let's zoom in to my P900. Let's see what that thing is out there. What is that? It's a... It's so far out, it's hazy. Well, at least I'm feeding the fish. Getting a little close to shore there, mister. Holy shit, I got one. What the hell? Oh, I got a flounder. Holy shit. What's up, buddy? Oh, you got some sharp teeth. I gotta get you something to grab you. I don't know how to get you off, buddy. Without a fucking pair of pliers. Gotcha. Woo! There. Go ahead. Boy, they camouflage, huh? Got a flounder. Catch one goddamn flounder, and all the boats coming over to my spot. What the hell is this shit? It's my fishing spot. Hey, keep moving. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I got one. Woo! Aw, had one. Got you, didn't I? You little fucker. Little biting fly. There. Now your fish bait. Biatch. Even the airplanes are coming. Time to pack it up. Swim away, free. You're free.
Holy shit!
Give him two lips like roses and clover. Then tell him that his lonesome nights are over.